Welcome back guys, Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to show you the LSK USDT trading pair with my custom indicator set main bull run plan. Let's dive in. Guys, if you still don't have an account on TradingView, I highly recommend you go into the description below or in a pinned comment, find out the link, sign up, and with this link you will get a $15 bonuses to your brand new account. This is not a brand new coin. This coin listed on a Gate.io by end of previous bull run, previous bull run, because this is the third one on this chart. So this was December 17, end of bull run in January 18. I don't know what happened at that time because even the chart looks kind of weird, so the highest point was $33, around 34, and then we crashed it down, some empty space here, and this kind of weird candles, so this was the end of bull run, just the previous one in spring 2021. So we'll analyze the chart on OKX and not count the main all-time high from Gate.io. But of course, if you believe in new all-time high over than $34, it's always up to you. I just would like to show you my price targets for this cycle. Take a look on market cap and data. At this current moment, the market cap is 340 million, circulation supply around 89% coins into the market, around 129 million coins. The highest point of the market cap was 3.7 billion, and the price at that time on a Gate.io, what we saw it on the chart, was $31. Got it. But the market cap at the end of previous bull run was only 1.3 billion. So it's kind of big difference, right? That's why we have to always work with realistic price numbers, because not every single coin beat the previous all-time high. So it's just a myth. Take a look on this chart. Based on this chart, we got a top $11.59, then crash it down, find a main support, consolidation, and we traded inside 27 block from May 2022 till last touch of 18 block. It was January 2024. So the whales got more than enough time for accumulation. Usually this block, it's the best time for accumulation. I made a lot of videos during 2022 2023, and for many of them I showed you the best entries and the best zones. Now I post another coins, but many of them are already out of the best block. But of course it's impossible to make all videos in same time because only on CoinMarketCap is over than 20k coins, and some people can just join into the market now, so if you miss the best zone, everything what you can do is just accumulate personally now, for example, and work with your own risk management. So that's it. We can't be always in the right time. That's why the best zone for accumulation was here. If we will come back after this move, for example, once again to this block, you can accumulate easily with a bigger size. Now you can just reduce the size of initial deposit or even add stop losses on a spot if you're scared enough, and wait the main targets. So what the main targets based on this FIB, like usual, it's more than okay to fix profit. $7 here, $8.15. So let's say $8, it will be 1 billion market cap. So take a look. This was the highest point around $11, $9.11 at 1.3 billion market cap. So at $8, we will see 1 billion market cap. And if you believe in new all-time high for this token, the next step is going to be this block. It's more than okay to fix some profit at 1 billion market cap if we will hit this target. And I think we will, because we got on the weekly time frame this order flow. So more likely we will trade in consolidation and continuation higher, liquidate all these guys. Next step going to be the sweep of this high, not new all-time high, 11.59. So this next target going to be $17.14 at 2.2 billion market cap. And anyway, it's going to be less the market cap than it was here at February 2018. So that's the point. That's why, guys, if you believe in new all-time high, this target more than okay to fix profit. This target is probably can be the end of bull run for this token around 2.2 billion market cap. Guys, always build a realistic price target when to in and when to out. Why it's usually okay and more than good accumulate inside 27 block? Because take a look, then average entry, for example, 72%, 72 cents here. Only this block, $8.16, gonna be 1,000% gains. But if you accumulate it now, for example, at this current price, for you profit will be only 200. So that's a big difference between the accumulation inside the best zone for investment, you know, because the whales needed time for accumulation and accumulate coin when we already out of this block. Of course, it doesn't mean you can't invest now. Of course you can. You can just reduce the size of initial deposit, so less risk. If you accumulated here, congrats, you already could withdraw initial deposit and ride with the free coins. So targets I showed you. Let's take a look at what the whales do now with my custom indicator set. Take a look on ADZ direction. Base it on direction. So this one at the bottom indicator, all the time here, the whales accumulate aggressively from December 2021 till March 2022, then May 2022, and January 2023, and this time period. Based on ADZ, also you could track all accumulation zones. This one, February 2022, they accumulated. Then biggest accumulation, September 2023, and one more accumulation at round number $1 here in January 2024. Then we pump it. So even if you just track the whales in January 2024, you could be in profit 200%. That's why it's easy to work with this indicator set. If you integrate it in your trading strategy and with proper risk management, it just can be amazing tool. All the time when you see the gray zone, it's depression zone based on market mode indicator, where it's more than okay accumulate. So this is accumulation, this accumulation, this accumulation. Now we are in the true zone. We can trade long time period in this block, and yes, we need to see something like this area, 3 drives pattern up, 1, 2, 3, and maybe we'll see the new top. One more time, base it on Money Power. So every single time when you see the blue sections, it's a good time for accumulation. If we talk about weekly time frame, like investments, because weekly time frame and a monthly time frame I use personally for accumulation investment. And intraday, you can use the same indicator set for intraday trades, even on a 5-minute time frame. So this one, the last accumulation stage, May 2023, then 2 MACD awareness. This is a money outflow. Why? Because I already explained it to you many times. They usually withdraw initial deposit after around 100% profit. Less money inflow, so around 78, 76, 100% profit, they usually withdraw initial deposit and leave free coins because of the size of initial deposit. So the big players work with much bigger deposit than we are. Let's take a look on last indicators trade on indicator here. You could track here was the last signal to sell. All this time period you could fix your short position, and last signal for accumulation was September 2023. So you can combine all set together, you know, and the track what the whales do now. They sell it, sell a pressure, now no new signal to sell on a weekly. So this is how it works. And the last indicator is take profit. Take profit indicator on a weekly time frame. Here, every single time when we trade under fundamental price, it's the best time to buy. So you can track all set together. So we trade inside 27 block. We trade under fundamental price. We got accumulation stages on ADZ on direction indicator, and we got recommendation close position on trade on indicator. So you got a lot of data to take a decision, take an action, and accumulate this coin. Then after 100%, you can, when we touch, for example, take profit line or going over the exit line, you just withdraw initial deposit, zero risk, your initial deposit safe, you can ride with the free coins. Absolutely, money from the air. Buy line at this current moment, we work only with possibilities. Everything can happen in the market. We can see even like this black swan, like in COVID dump. We don't know what can happen. You know, that's why the buy line at this current moment, 68 cents on a weekly time frame. I don't think so. We will see something like this one. No, more likely we will see some impulse, sideways continuation. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write this in a comment, what is your realistic price target for LSK? if you would like to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget